Hi everyone, welcome to Healthy and Halal. Today we are making one of my favorite recipes, chicken pot roast. To make this we need one whole chicken cut into medium pieces, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of worcestershire sauce, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of red chili sauce, 4 tablespoons of tomato sauce, 1 tablespoon of ghee, half teaspoon of red chili powder. Start adding all the ingredients to the chicken. Add the ginger garlic paste. Add soy sauce. Add chili sauce. Add the worcestershire sauce. Add tomato sauce. Add vinegar. Add some black pepper. Add red chili powder. And add the salt. Now start mixing it. Marinate the chicken for 4 to 5 hours. Now let's start preparing the pot roast. So first go ahead and add the ghee to the instant pot. Add the marinated chicken to the instant pot. Press the cancel button and select slow cook and set the timer for 2 hours. So after 2 hours, the chicken looks almost done. We will still continue to braise the chicken in the saute mode until the sauces stick to the chicken. Make sure you continuously scrape the bottom of the pan to avoid burning. Chicken looks perfect. It's very soft and smells amazing. Chicken pot roast tastes awesome. Alright guys, see you in the next video. Take care. Peace.